Hey there, I'm Charlotte, the Gulf Coast Granny, and today I'm choosing my seed for the Single Seed Challenge of 2021. This challenge was started by Scott Head over at Black Gumbo Southern Gardening, and he says that the purpose of this challenge is to connect with other gardeners and watch each other's projects and learn from each other as the season progresses. It is also to acknowledge and remember the potential that comes out of one seed, one tiny little seed. The seed that I have chosen to plant for this challenge is not a new variety, but it's new to me because I've never grown it before. And it's the Beit Alpha Cucumber. This is a really special cucumber. Most cucumbers produce male flowers, and then they produce the female flowers, and they need pollinators to come around and buzz around and pick up pollen and carry it from the male flower to the female flower. This cucumber is gynoecious, which means it has mostly female flowers. This cucumber is also parthenogenic. That means it doesn't even need a pollinator. I don't know if I believe it or not. Who ever heard of that before? But we're going to try it, and we're going to plant it in this container right here all by itself. So now I have to choose a seed. So I'll dump a few of these out in my hand. And they all look pretty much the same. Scott says to find a seed that stands out. So this one's standing out. In fact, this one's standing straight up, screaming at me, "Plant me, Granny!" So now that we've selected the seed, just going to make a little divot in the soil here, stick it in there, and cover her up. I think she needs a name. What about you? Hazel. We'll call her Hazel. So now we've got her in the soil, and we're going to give her just a little water. Cucumbers require very moist soil and some afternoon shade when they get big enough to produce. So for now, we're going to pick her up and move her back there. Come on, Hazel. There. Now once Hazel germinates, we're going to get a cage or a stake or something she can vine up, so that way all the cucumbers won't be on the ground. There's Hazel, the potential cucumber. Let's see how long it takes her to pop through the soil. Y'all don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Have a great day, everybody. I'll talk to you again real soon, all right?